You're the flying high.
Hey, what's up, y'all? This your man TJ from Wings of Love Tech. I got a new drone for you all. It's the G11 Mini SE from Day-Gleesfun. And I just got this out the mailbox, and I'm looking forward to flying it. I'm not gonna tuck your ear off. So here we go. The Gleesfun G11 Mini SE. Here we go. All right, here we go. Here's a little unboxing for you all. You're seeing this as I see it. Have not charged it or anything, so we'll get a small little flight in. You'll see what I see. All right. Here's the drone. Looks pretty good. Now this is used. This is from eBay, and I see some scuffs on the propellers, and it looks pretty good shape. I don't see an SD card or anything, and it looks in pretty good shape. And there's your gimbal, non-gimbal, the G11 Mini SE. And the cap came off for the gimbal. But here is the joystick. Has the sticks on there. You have your record video and camera button. You have your gimbal up and down. Has your phone hold, complete with, already has a OTG cable. Still has the screen covering on there. Your power button, your speed button, and your landing button. Your GPS button, your land and your ascend button here. Your charging outlet. And that seems to be it. Came with 2 batteries. And I see a screwdriver and some extra props, and I feel extra OTG cables. There's a charging cable and your manual, all that good stuff in there. So the next time you see me or hear from me, it'll be flying in the air. I'm not sure how much battery it has on it. Just got it. Be right back. Okay, everybody, we are back. This is the G11 Mini SE. And yeah, I see that too. This is all your settings. I'm taking it out of beginner mode. Let's set it somewhere right about there. And let's set it down here. I want to get to like 200 or so. That's fine. And our return altitude, at least 100. That's fine. I got it set at 4K, 25 frames per second. No watermark. And my photo scale is 5730 by 3200. All right, this is your tracking. I have never flown this. It seems like the one that sold this to me never flew it either. This is all your other information. I'm gonna keep it at inches and miles per hour. And we're gonna fly this thing. I am losing time. I didn't put my memory card in. I just wanted to see how much battery I had. Turns out they sent it with full battery. The drone has 93%. The battery's at 4 volts. It says I'm ready to fly in GPS mode. I say we take this thing up. I can't really see the screen, but I do have telemetry on my screen as well. I am in first speed mode. Have 28 satellites. I think we're good to go. I am at Francis Park, and we are ready to go here. I hope my phone holds up. I got 20% battery on my phone. So we're just gonna make this a quick flight and see how the video quality is on this camera and how stable it is, okay? And we will move on. I'm going to go ahead and unlock the motors and take it up.
Fly.
And we're gonna turn it around after I let it hover for a moment. And it is ascending by itself. There is no wind, so we should be all right today. It has a wind resistance of 4, and it's doing pretty good. So let's go ahead and turn it around. If I can turn it around. It's not a Wi-Fi drone. So now we done turned it around, and it is toilet bowling a little bit. So I'm gonna bring it back down in a minute. I don't like that toilet bowling. I don't like that toilet bowling at all. We are stable now. But if I turn it around, it's toilet bowling a little bit. So we're gonna bring it back down and try this over again. It's toilet bowling. All right, we're back, and I'm gonna try that again. This time I have an SD card in, and I'm going to hit record on my joystick, on my remote control, and we are recording. And let's try to go up one more time. This is a new battery. The other battery won't even turn off.
Unlocked.
And let's go up.
Fly.
Hovering pretty good. Now this happened last time. Until I turned it around, it was fine. So I'm gonna turn it around again. It's ascending again all by itself. Let's see what happens when I turn it around. Really slowly. And it's going forward without me, but it's okay this time. It's okay this time. And there I am. And we are gonna go, let's go backwards this time. And go up a little bit. All right, my telemetry says I am approximately 52 feet in the air, 52.5 feet in the air. I'm gonna turn around just a little bit, see what we're looking at. Without touching the sticks. Try to clean my phone off. At least I can see. Let me see if I can, well, my brightness is all the way up. Good for me. And let's go up a little bit higher. If we can. I feel a gust of wind. So I might stay where I'm at because it's kind of unsteady. It says that I am 62 feet up, and we are gonna go a little bit higher. Let's go up to 100. See if we can get up there. Okay, 101. We are at 101. Let's turn around a little bit, a little slowly. It's not too sensitive, but you can tell that wind is up there. Let's turn around a little bit more. Let's see if we can move the gimbal. Okay, let's see. There, up. The gimbal scroll is really sensitive. Okay, I see. And we can turn a little bit. I see we're being watched by park attendees. And people come here to run and jog and stuff, so I'm just gonna go out just a little bit forward and see what kind of speed we get. See, we don't have a gimbal, so it's going up and down a little bit. Let's try to go up a little higher so we can get above this horizon here. I don't know if that's a good idea, so I'm gonna stay right here at 100. I'm gonna turn around, come back this way. I'm gonna go to this corner first. Put the gimbal down just a little bit. I don't seem to help because the wind is taking its liberties, but we're not too much wind. So being at 100 feet, being at 150 feet, 160 now, that's a little bit better. Well, let's come down because I hear a plane behind me. I don't know what direction it's going in. Oh, that's a helicopter. So I'm gonna come down. Come back this way. Let's go about 50 feet. Come back this way. And helicopter is passing. I'm still gonna come back towards me. Alright. Turn around and go back that way. Alright. So this is the newest drone I have. And I actually sent you guys a video on Memorial Day. This is the following Monday after Memorial Day. And I'm at a different park this time. I'm at Francis Park. And this is my old childhood park. And I'm gonna go up a little bit because I see where I'm at. And we're gonna do a return to home. Let's do that. Let's see how that return to home works. And I'm not gonna burn out this little battery, the last battery I have, first thing. So it's coming back to me. Let's see if it descended or ascended any higher than it already was, which it did, I think. I'm at 111 feet. I'm gonna put the gimbal down and watch it land. So let's see how good this return to home is, you all. I think I do get 90 degrees. And it's directly above the landing pad. It's actually above me, toilet bowl.
Descend.
Very badly. All right, let's toilet bowling a little bit, you all. We're gonna see if it's gonna land close enough.
Stop return home.
Okay, let's stop the recording. All right, y'all. That was the Day-Gleesfun G11 Mini SE. I wasn't really happy with that. Like I said, I just got this out the mailbox. I got it from eBay, so didn't know what to expect and didn't know if anybody had crashed it or not. The seller didn't say so, but I did notice some scuffing on these propellers when I took it out the box. So it looks like he might have crashed it once or twice. So I may have to just change these propellers and go from there, because I don't know. So not a bad experience. It did fly, it did hover. When I first got it in the air, like you saw, it was toilet bowling a little bit. I did the calibrations and everything, and it was fine. It did respond to me. I got it up to about 200 feet, and then I saw a helicopter, so I had to bring it down. So I brought it towards me, did a return to home like you saw, and return to home, it wasn't too bad. It came down right by the landing pad, took it back up, and the battery died. So I gotta find out how to turn these batteries off, because now they won't turn off. That's a new thing for me with these intelligent batteries. Supposed to touch it once and touch it again to turn it on. So I'm thinking you do the same thing to turn it off. So I'll read up on it and find out, and we get more from this. This is your man TJ from Wings of Love Tech, and if you like this kind of content and you enjoy watching new beginner videos and want to learn more with me, please consider subscribing. And I thank you for watching. Until we meet again. God bless you. Goodbye.
On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love. On the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high.